Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied company secretary. Company secretary means a secretary is a person who is employed to conduct a correspondence on behalf of individual or a company and also execute filling a documentation and administrative functions. Today we are discuss about appointment of company secretary. As per section 224 203 204 of Companies Act 2013, Indian Company Act 1956 reforms is 2013. The provision and regarding the appointment of the company secretary or every listed company must have a full-time company secretary. Secretary work is and full-time of work only, equal to the board of director and company secretary is both equal rights. Okay. Every unlisted company and every private company having a paid up capital of rupees 5 crore or must also have a full-time secretary. Listed company or unlisted company means each and every company secretary role is full-time work. Only an individual who is a member of a institute of a company secretaries of India can be appointed as a company secretary. Each and Indian Company Act 1956 and reforms 2013, each and every company compulsory appointed in company secretary. First one, by the promoters. Promoters means that is new unit producer or some who. Promoters means some entrepreneur. Okay. The first secretary of a company is appointed by the promoters at a pre-incorporation stage and such as a name is maintained the articles of association by the first board of directors. After the company has been registered, the first board of the director appointed the secretary at the first board of meeting. The board meeting directors can continue the existing secretary appointed by the promoters or can appointed a new company secretary. Each and every promoters, each and every company entrepreneur compulsory appointed in company secretary. The company secretaries conduct the meetings, employees meetings, some subordinate conduct the subordinate meetings. Next one, functions and duties of company secretary. Functions and duties of company secretary. First one, statutory function. First one, as the principal officer of the company, the secretary must observe all the legal formalities in respect of the provisions of the Company Act and other laws. Example, income tax, stamps tax, sales tax act, etc., which have a bearing on the activities of the company. Each and every company secretary observe the all legal. Observe means that is full concentrate in all legal formalities. Legal formalities. Observe all business activity, legal activity to observe the all activities. The legal activities means example, first one, income tax, stamp act, sales act, that is have a bearing on the activity of the company. First one, according to the Company Act 2013, To sign a document and proceedings requiring authentication by the company. Authentication means some fingerprinting or sign the document writes in company secretary. Company document writing sign document and proceeding the requiring authentication of the by the company by the full rights of the company secretary to sign the all document legal company documents to maintaining a share register and register of directors and of contracts to maintaining share register. Many companies is 51 percentages company our control, 49 percentage only in issuing in public. The share register or and register of the director and the contract to give a notice to register to for increasing in this share capital to give the notice register for increasing the share capital every 3 years or 5 years once company is increasing the share capital means company is a total authorized capital yearly or 2 years once or 5 years once company's share capital level is 5 years once increase but company is not available in fund means that time only company issue a shares in collect the fund. Next one, to deliver a share certificate of allotment within 2 months after transfer. Next one, to sign and send a annual returns. To sign right means who which person? The company secretary person to sign and send a annual returns. To make a statutory declaration for the receiving certificate and commencement for business. To send a notice of general meeting to every member of a company. To send a notice general meeting in every member of the company. The every members means that is category wise is issue the notice and category wise conduct the meeting in company secretary. To make statutory books. Each and every company to maintaining statutory book. The statutory book full and full annual returns, purchase, sales, loss, some legal information, tax information is recorded. To prepare minutes of every general meeting, the board meeting within 30 days. Prepare a minutes means that is small preparation program. Minutes mean preparation program. Each and every program means that is meeting. Meeting means prepare the minutes book. Prepare a minutes book. Minutes book means the meeting time, the company secretary speech. That is minutes. Company secretary talk some important points, some new information or some employees benefits to talk some information. That information, that speech book is what? Minutes. To fill a resolution with the register. To assign the preparation of the statement of the affair in winding up. Statement of affairs. Statement of affairs means company opening capital is how much, where withdraw is how much, additional capital is how much, finally closing capital is how much, final that this amount investment, the time is company gain or loss is final statement of affairs. Each and every company prepare the statement affairs. Compulsory. Each and every company follow the statement affairs. Listen students, already you studied 12th standard students. Statement affairs means company finally the year end is profit or loss. That is statement affairs. Okay students, today functions and duties of company secretary. Okay, this is important lesson. Each and every question, this lesson is very very important. Listen students, one or two times you watch this video, you clearly you watch, listen, that day you thorough. Okay, do not postpone next day. Your postpone means your workload only heavy. You one time you read and thorough means next you write at least one time. Is every day you write. Home test is compulsory, must. Is more benefit. Home test you write means your handwriting is improving, your memory is, your memory power is everyday improvement. Okay, thank you students. Next class we will discuss next one topic. Okay, thank you students.